Good morning, students. Today we'll be continuing our chapter number 12, Beyond the Earth, and we'll be reading page number 137 and 138. Okay, previously we discussed about asteroids. Now we'll discuss about comets. So the main difference between an asteroid and a comet is basically how it is made. Okay, asteroid is made up of rocks, and comets are made up of ice and dust. Okay, so that is the main difference, and you should be able to differentiate between these two and write their definition. So underline this main definition of the comet in your book. Coming to artificial satellites. Okay, as we have discussed about the definition of satellite are small objects which circle or orbit around a bigger object. Okay, for example, we discussed about natural satellite of Earth, which was Moon. So Earth is a bigger body, it's bigger in size, and Moon is smaller in size. So Moon is moving around or revolving around Earth. Okay, so it's a natural satellite. We call it natural satellite because it is not man-made. It is not made by humans. It was naturally present. Okay, so artificial satellites are those satellites which are created by humans and sent into space and orbit around the Earth. Okay, so you can check these important points and you can underline it in your books. And I have included extra points which are not present in the book. You can also write it down with pencil. Okay, they are placed in space with the help of rockets. So what happens is these satellites are carried from the Earth surface, from the ground to the surface. For example, this is the Earth and you are present here. So you have to take the satellite from this till the space here. So it can circle around the Earth. Okay, so like this. So examples of different satellites are in the book as well. You don't need to go into the details of these examples. Just remember their names like Sputnik 1, Legios 2. So these are some of the names of the satellites sent into the space. So why are these satellites sent into the space? What is their use? So most of these satellites are used as telescopes which like the Hubble Space Station, which basically gives information regarding the space. It's a telescope, so it focuses on the other stars and planets and sends information back to the Earth. Other satellites are basically work as weather forecast, tells us what kind of weather there's gonna be, and also finds the location of someone on Earth. Like if I'm going somewhere, I want to find a location. So with the help of satellite, I have a device, which is GPS. It is connected with the satellite and satellite feeds the information into this so I can find a specific location on Earth. Okay. So underline these points in your book, and if these are not present, write them down with a pencil. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.